there's no chance. There's too much V's on floor 1. How did we get so lucky? We got way too lucky to get from Clover. I can't. It doesn't let me. Oh my gosh, too many V's. How do I dodge them? I don't understand. There's too many V's. Wow! We got so lucky on floor 1. We asked Clover to give us a million V's. Same! Go to the elevator! Go to the elevator! Go to the elevator! I finished on the machine. Can you just drop? Sure. Nick! Wait, I need to tell you something. What? I need to text you it. Wow! Look at these items! Okay, let's see what we got. Wink, wink. I bet it's definitely no because we have that. Yeah, we do not have admin. This is real Danny's World. We do not have admin. This is the real game, okay guys? This is the real game. We promise we just got a gift from Clover that we got so lucky. So yeah. What? On floor 2? I'm gonna go check it out. That can't be floor 2. Probably where you from Clover. Where is he? Where is he? I already have response on the Band-Aid. A Band-Aid? Can you get it? Ah! And he doesn't even cause any jam damage. Oh, we got Tegan? Oh. Love that. Oh, my decoy died. My decoy died, that's funny. Let's do, electrician. Oh my god, I just put this in the elevator? Give me that, look here. Literally. And I got out. Probably glitched. Yeah, probably. Yeah, probably. my gosh, why is there so much eject buttons? Wow! Yay! Wow! Clockwork is the best. Okay. Spawn a million medkits all around the map when I'm not. Okay. Spawn medkits everywhere, okay? Like all over the map. What the heck? Wow! So oh my gosh! Let's hit them! Spawn even more like all over the map, like a bunch, like roads across the map. Oh my gosh! Medkit talks! Medkit talks! Yeah, this is Slow Slay! Oh my god! Thank you, Papa! Wow! I'm taking all of the medkits! I have a new inventory. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, how fast is our respawn? Oh my god! Yeah, these reptiles are already gone. Yeah. Oh my gosh, there's smoke bombs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's take all of that. Yeah. But I can't use. Yeah. I wonder. Ow! Help us! Oh my gosh. He's here. Yeah, how? It's not stopping? Oh my gosh. Oh my, this is so weird. Oh my gosh. Oh no, this is such a weird glitch, but it's cool. My inventory is already full of medkits. I just realized you didn't use all the medkits. No, my cat, should die. My should die. Oh, I got it. Okay, we gotta go complete the machines, okay? Guys, Astro randomly spawned. More medkits? This is so weird. How am I gonna stop this glitch? Oh my, this is so cool though. Oh my gosh, how did we get here? Oh my gosh, my friend is turned off. Okay guys, I gotta pause. Oh my gosh, help us. Oh no, he's chasing me, he's chasing me. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go now.